What is a data protection officer for nonprofits? Imagine running a nonprofit that relies on sensitive information like donor details, volunteer records, or health data. Keeping this data safe is more than just good practice. It's often a legal requirement. That's where a data protection officer comes in. A data protection officer is a person responsible for making sure the organization follows data privacy laws and regulations. They oversee how data is collected, stored, and used, making sure everything is done properly. Their main job is to develop policies that protect personal information and ensure compliance with laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, which is a set of rules in Europe that governs data privacy. The data protection officer also keeps an eye on how the nonprofit processes data. They conduct regular checks to see if the organization is following all the rules and fix any issues that come up. They train staff and volunteers on how to handle data correctly, so everyone understands their role in keeping information private. Another key part of their role is being the main contact for authorities. If a data breach occurs, or if there are questions from regulators, the data protection officer handles those conversations. They also help inform people whose data is being used about their rights, like the right to access their information or request it be deleted. For nonprofits, this role is especially important because they often handle sensitive data like health records, financial information, or personal details of donors and volunteers. While not all nonprofits are legally required to have a data protection officer, having one can protect the organization from fines and legal trouble. It also builds trust with donors and the public because it shows the nonprofit takes data privacy seriously. In practice, a data protection officer might create rules for handling sensitive data, run audits to check data security, and organize training sessions for staff. They might also work with external agencies if there are concerns or complaints about data privacy. Overall, a data protection officer helps nonprofits stay on top of data privacy laws, avoid legal issues, and maintain a good reputation. They make sure that everyone in the organization understands how to handle data responsibly, which is essential in today's digital world.